Hi, so I'm going to show you quickly how you could use Google Translate to upload entire PDFs to translate. So you would use the web version of Google Translate and you would select the Documents tab, and then you see drag and drop or browse your files. So you can upload entire PDFs up to 300 pages and it will translate the entire document. So I'll talk to you about what you would do if it's more than 300 pages in just a minute. But if it's 300 or less, you would select Browse Your Files, find the PDF. I'm just going to use this example that I have on my desktop that I found. Select the language that the original is in. So this is in English, and select what you want the file to be translated to. So you just select whichever language you would need. I'll just select Russian, and then you select translate. And what that does is it translates it. This is, I don't know, I think this was like 15 or so pages long. So you'll see it does take a little while. If it's over, 100 pages or under 300, but close to 300, it's going to take a little while to translate it. So once it translates, you select download translation, and then you will see that the entire file is translated to the language that you want. So let me zoom in. There you go. There are some parts of this particular document that it didn't translate, but I'm thinking maybe it's because of the way it was created into a PDF. But for the most part, the text part is translated. So that's how you use Google Translate to translate an entire file. If it is more than 300 pages, you can use a website called like pdf2go.com, and I'll link it for you. You upload the file, and then what you would do is it uploads it. When you go to save as, you will see that, I'm going to close this video. You will see that you have different options or settings. Split the pages. You can select split PDF into equal parts. So let's say it's 600 pages long, you would select 2 parts. If it's 900 pages, you would select 3 parts, and so on. So just kind of do the math for how many sections you would need or parts. So if I select 2 parts, for example, and then save, what it's going to do is it's going to just divide it equally. And let me just show you here. So here, converted files. This first one says pages 1 to 12. And then the next one says pages 13 to the end. So that's an option that you could do if the file is more than 300 pages long.